Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to continue the previous chapter wise question paper guys. That is, we are dealing with coordinate geometry, right? So yesterday we discussed the first sum, find the distance of the point minus 3 comma 4 from the x-axis. Okay, today we are going to discuss the second sum. If the points a x comma 2, b minus 3 comma 4, c 7 comma minus 5 are collinear, then find the value of x. Okay, let's solve the sum. So what is given here? If the points a x comma 2, b minus 3 comma 4, c 7 comma minus 5 are collinear, then find the value of x. So first take down the given points a x comma 2, b minus 3 comma 4, c 7 comma minus 5. We need to find the value of x, guys. So with the help of collinear condition. Okay, and given that the given points are collinear. So what is collinear condition when 3 points are given? So this is a formula. x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equal to 0. Okay, so substitute the values and simplify and find the value of x, guys. So we get x into 9 plus minus 3 into minus 7 plus 7 into minus 2 modulus equal to 0. So we get 9x minus plus 7 equal to 0. So put x, make x as subject. We get minus 7 by 9. Since it is a modulus, we don't get negative value, guys. Therefore x equal to plus 7 by 9. Okay, 7 comma 9 comma 2, because they are asking to find the value of x, right? Okay, we got x value minus 7 by 9. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.